Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.